Who is that? Oh my god. Who? Oh my. Who is that? Find and Flash Sparky. Who is Sparky, dog? I can't even hear him moving. Dog. Oh my god. Oh! Ooh. Ooh, just care. Please finish the last one. What is that on? Let's go! What's that? A cat? Hold on. Wait, go back. Go back. Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Freddy's Reanimated. Um, just reminiscing about last night. Couldn't stop thinking about it. Like, I really want to beat this game. Like, I really want to get this off my hands because like, this game is so fun but so stressful. Like, I'm having nightmares about this game, man. Like, I physically just can't get it out of my head until I beat it. But y'all know the deal. I'm sure y'all been hit with the previews. You kind of got an idea of what happened last night, what happened in the previous previous games, nights. I'm tweaking, But I think we completed Wednesday last night and Tuesday. Dropped it to a little 2 from 1. So let's continue. It's Thursday, and my recording just went black. I'm gonna say, hey yo, Tuesday, 12 a.m. It doesn't like to be watched. Keep it from escaping. Are we talking about Freddy here? Or are we talking about the cat? I hope I added that in the preview. Uh, Editing me, put that in there. Okay, so he's yapping low key, like he literally told me nothing. But I did notice, however, that hold on, Cam 6 now works. I'm assuming this is outside. Oh my god. Oh, what is that? This is it doesn't like to be watched. Bro, I'm about to get jump scared. I already know, bro. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing with him. Like, am I supposed to watch him when he's in that room? Okay, the dog just moved. Chica, you still here? Get you up out of there. Check. He's gone. I don't know. This isn't gonna be easy no more. This is definitely about to be 10 times more stressful than it already was, and I'm not too happy about that. Okay, okay, that might actually be easy. That might actually be easy. Okay, she's in attacking position. But I'm trying to understand his analogy to the whole handprints on the he just moves handprints on the wall thing. That doesn't make sense to me. Like, is he trying to say that ancient civilization is what is haunting us, or what's going on? Um, Bonnie gonna move. I need to go back to that one camera with this guy in it. Yeah. Yep. Get you going. I don't know. I kind of got the hang of the game. I'm not stressing too much. It's really just the shift after shift part that really gets to me. Besides that, I'm completely fine. Like easy peasy, lemon squeezy, burn a tweezy. Oh yeah, burleasy, whatever, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But like this game's relatively easy when it comes to certain mechanics. What was that? Yep. I was about to say I heard her. I heard her at the last second. That was my fault. I'm talking about how easy the game is, and I got folded. Oh my god. What night is this? Night four? Okay. No, I don't got no water. 5 minutes in, already lost one time. Hoping I don't have to make the fail Taj. I can't believe I died that many times on that one shift part. Just that instant transmission was just throwing me off, bro. Like, how are you? How is it fair that you're able to teleport around the map? Not even around the map, but like that room. Like you're not even giving me no sound cues. The dog just moved. You're not giving me no sound cues. You're not giving me no type of doom doom noise. Like only time I could hear him breathing was when his face was pressed up against mine. His fat face is so. Only time I could actually ever do anything. He was also, I'm pretty sure he was in stage two. Check. The bunny's gone. The bunny's gone. No, like the bunny's actually gone. Hold on. Wait, where's he? Oh, is he? Was he right there in the corner? Oh my god. What these sounds be getting to me, man. Oh my god, I gotta go back. I gotta find a dog. Find a dog. Find a dog. Flash. Bonnie's gonna come to this window soon. Find Chica because she's gonna be attacked too. No, she moved back. Why would she move back? She had the perfect time to chance that. Yeah, I know he's gonna be at this window again, but I need to make sure I get to this camera real quick. Yep, Bonnie hasn't came to the window yet. That's interesting. Yeah. Oh. I was looking at that the screen. Almost got cooked. Okay, now I need to find this chicken because there's no way she's in attack mode too. Okay, why is she not doing what she's supposed to be doing? Okay, she's still over here. What room is this? She's gonna move. Yep, I know it. I'm a little, Loki might be a little sick. I know I probably sound a little weird. A little sick, just a little bit. A little something, something. Not too crazy, not too crazy. I think it's just maybe my allergies. Might be fine. Okay, he's gonna come to that window. I just need to find this chicken. Oh my god. Bro, every time I actually check, she's not there. Like she's not doing anything but just standing there awkwardly. Okay. Okay. So I'm not gonna play this because I have to watch the camera for three different animatronics, right? Bonnie, I can Loki just he's easy. He's easy. He's lightweight. However, the other three, I know when the dog moves. I don't know when Chica moves. I don't know when the cat moves. Those are all just he moved. I'm glad he has sound cues because That'd just be unfair. She moved. He moved. I hate the blackout. The blackout is just it's time consuming. The chicken's definitely somewhere doing something she's not. Is that there? Okay. I don't know where he's at. Where's the bunny? I don't. The chicken's also gone. The chicken is also gone. I'm about to die, by the way. The dog moved. I can't find him. Chicken moved. She's gonna be okay. I don't know if she been moving the cam forward. I'm about to die to the chicken again. Okay. He doesn't move. Oh my god. Now you're gonna move and I need to find her again. Okay, she's back in the stage room. She's gonna move to the room where she taps at. Dang, I can move that pretty quick now. That's crazy. Okay, go back. Instead of going forward, we need to go back. See if we can see the chicken. Take out both of them. Okay. What's that? It sounds like something just hit my window. She was in attack mode. No! Oh my god. Okay, so she can attack in the dining office. The dining hall. Okay. Literally, it's just Chica killing me this night. This is crazy to me. I was just talking about how light work this was. I jinxed myself. I jinxed myself. Of course I did. Who is Greg? Why did I just notice this? Who is Greg? I don't really have to wait to do anything like to 12:55, and then I have to do something. Okay, 12:23. Okay, dog move. They definitely give me too much time to find this dog, though. Not saying that's a bad thing, but like, I really just be wandering sometimes. The chicken is gone. I repeat, the chicken is gone. Nope, found it. No, because she's gonna move to attack mode. Okay, you're over here. He's still chilling. I can already tell this is gonna be so much annoying with Freddy. So much more annoying with Freddy. I cannot English tonight. Okay, the dog moved too. Low-key not worried about the dog right now. I'll say that as I look for him. Where are you? Wait. Where are you? Wait. Okay, you're still there. I'm gonna play some like background music because like I know this is low-key boring to watch because like I'm not really doing much. Bro. Oh my god, that's the closest I've seen him get to the camera. And he has stages. Great. That's great, man. I mean, of course he has stages, but like camera stages? Oh my god. W. Why are you already moving again? I shouldn't get jump scared by the bunny. I'm probably about to get. I just saw him. Oh my. Wait, that was Bonnie, wasn't it? Oh, good, thank God. Find the chicken, find the chicken, find the chicken. Dude, I know he's in that little janitor room or staff room. The little shift place that we have to sit. Okay, yeah, he's in the hallway again. She's over here, so she's definitely better. I need to go back to that on the camera. Thank you. Oh my, I'm dead. I'm dead. The chicken, the chicken, the chicken. Oh my, yes! Let's go! Let's go! What's that noise? Let's go! Why, baby? There's ominous music playing in my ears right now. I realized that I said ominous a lot in this series. Like, if you could, I don't know if I can hear this because like my audio would be low-key blunt in these games, bro. But it is like really like just music. Please stop. I don't like this. Oh my, they're adding like anxiety into the whole mix now. She moved. It's great. It's beautiful, man. Okay, let's make sure you're being a good boy. The dog, however, is not being a good boy. I can't hear anything with this music. Flash. Move! Move the camera! Move the camera! Find the chicken! Find the chicken! Find the chicken! Oh my god, please stop. Okay, she's in this room. Okay. Let's get Buddy up back in his stages. Go back. Go back. Oh my god, could you stop moving, please? Where is she going? She, am I dead? Am I dead? Okay. I just need these cameras to move just a little faster. Please and thank you. I hate when they try to combo me. The dog, chicken, and the money dude. Oh my god. How did I say it? I get comboed. W. I love when they're in the same room though. When they're in the same room, that makes it so much more easier on me. Yup. Ooh wee. Hour left. Hour left. Lock in. I'm hacking. I'm hacking. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please, 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 baby. Please. Please, I don't want to die. She's back in her. She's going back into attack phase. I can already tell she's going to. The dog has to at least make one more round. Yep. Like I predicted. This fucking dog. Yes. Ah. I'm about to put a random bleep there just so that it sounds like I cursed. Add some spice into the video. You know what I'm saying? Man, bump that dog. He ain't gonna do nothing. OG great. OG great. I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. Oh my, yes. Now let me guess. We gotta stay after work. We gotta stay after work. Okay, bro. I get it 6:05. Bro, hurry up. Oh wait, hold on. Listen closely. Stare in this direction to make it leave. Oh my god. No, it's not, bro. Yeah, the one door that I said in that one episode, I said that somebody's gonna be in there peeking. I'm surprised that we actually have to do something there. Okay, so basically what I got from there is we just have to fix some ventilation. I'm assuming this is probably be hard, just like the last one. But he's definitely. I feel like there's somebody in this hallway, by the way. But he's talking about that one room, that one episode where I was like, "Yo, there's gonna be somebody standing here." Would assume that's what it was. That's what it was, but I guess not. Yeah, don't worry, I'm not coming over to today, Bucko. I'm going over here. See you around. Oh wait. Oh my god. Wait. I'm sorry, Freddy. Oh, this is finasculated all over again. Huh? What? Bro, I didn't get any controls for this. What am I doing? I don't get it. Huh? Broken? What you mean broken game? Is it? Let me put both headphones on. I'm not gonna be able to do this, bro. I can't hear anything in these vents. If I get jump scared, bro. Just heard something. Like, am I just supposed to stay down here? Why did I just die? I don't understand. It says pay attention. Foxy can appear on either side, but will retreat if stared down. Listen very closely. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but if you're wearing headphones, the sounds were coming from off the right side. Why did he just come from the left? Also, that's Foxy? I thought it was a cat. Okay, whatever. That's right. But I gotta do all these? Nah, bro, hold on. Wait. I thought I only had to do one. I wonder if the audio plays on opposite sides. If so, that's stupid. But see, that's off my right. Hold on. Okay, so that's him leaving. So they play on opposite sides. Yeah, I have to do all these. They really got me playing sister location with this, bro. Really, I got me playing sister location with this, bro. Like that one, that one, that one string lock one where you gotta like keep the string locking you. Like, bro, this is not sister location game. Get your freaky self on, goober. Freaked out. Ooh. I keep forgetting it's on opposite sides, bro. If only I could do this in a simulator, bro. I could have been finished that series. Am I ever going to? Probably not. Game's too hard. I suck at sound cues when it comes to vents. Get your freaky self on with your tongue out, bro. You're not getting none of these cheeks, game. I know it's fat, but relax, game. Woo wee! No, papi, no, papi. I can't take it no more, papi. I don't want to, papi. Look at it being petty. Never. Ugh. Okay, we're back. Okay, you went back. Jeremy, you're a goober, bro. You need to do your job better next time. 2002. Look, oh, his name's up here too. 2000 something at 5. La da dee, la da dum, la da dum, la da dee, la da dum. I hate that it's playing on my right here, but I can't. So when I look to my right, he's not even over there anymore. Woo! He wanted that kill just now. These only come from left. That's kind of lame. I mean, easy but lame. And what type of electrical box is this? I just realized this. What electrical box do you know that you have to sit there and just watch the torch move? What? Just run down, please, bro. 30 minutes of recording. Didn't take as long as the last episode, but I mean, definitely would be much better, easier to edit, since it's not as long, quicker to upload time too. But that was night 4, Thursday, quick little night. I say that as I died multiple times and we're stressing on the little electrical box. I mean, definitely not as tense as Wednesday. Yeah, like Wednesday was just really intense. I don't know why. It was kind of like this one kind of was a breeze. Like I kind of just kind of flew through this one easily. Didn't really have too much problem besides Chica. I mean, the electrical box I literally did in first try. I didn't even know what was going on half the time. He just kept coming from the left side. kind of boring. I mean, yeah, he could definitely, swap the sides around, Sound cues, I mean, they were there, but they weren't on the right side. Like, they only played in my right ear, but he was on my left side. So that's what threw me off in the beginning. Also, I didn't finish it first try. What I'm talking about, I died. But that was Freddy's Reanimated. That on Thursday night. Like I said, something slight, not too stressful, not too crazy. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like, subscribe. But if you're waiting on the next series, there's other series on the channel. Sadly, that they don't have commentary, but they do have gameplay. You can just sit and watch. Thanks for watching. I'll drop this what Monday or Tuesday night, and then I'll drop the last one either Tuesday or Wednesday night. It depends on what day it is today. But thanks for watching. Peace out.